Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we wrote the code to call getActivities API in our Angular application. And in today's video, we will write the code to show these activities on the page. And after this, we will create workout entity in our Spring Boot application as well. So let's get started. And as you can see in the activity.component.ts, we are calling getActivities API and we are saving the response in activities variable. And after this, we will open activity.component.html and here we will write the code to show the activities. And first of all, we need to create a card, and to do this we will use ngCard tag, and for the ng title we will give it as past activities. And in this ngCard we will create a div, and on this div we need to apply ng for loop, and to do this we will write static ng for, and after this we will write let keyword, and for the single activity we will name this as activity, and after this we will write of keyword, and at the end we will mention activities variable. And after this, in this div we will create another div, and for the ng span we will give it as 30. And after this we need to show the data in our activity, and first of all we will show calories burned, and to get the value we will write activity.calories burned, and after this we will write a dash, and now we need to show the distance of the activity, and to do this we will write activity.distance, and after the distance we need to show the steps, and to do this we will write activity.steps, and at the end we need to show the date of the activity, and to do this we will write activity.date, and to format this date we will use date pipe. And with this the HTML code is completed to show the activities. And after this we will save this file, and we will create a new terminal, and we will run our application. And as you can see, our application is up without any errors. Now let's go to the browser and let's validate the functionality of our past activities. And in the browser we will click on this activity menu, and as you can see on the right side of the page we got past activities card, and in this card we are showing all the activities of the user, and for each activity we are showing calories burned, distance, steps and date of the activity. And now let's go to our backend application and let's create workout entity. And in our Spring Boot application, to create the workout entity we will right click on this entity package, and we will choose a new Java class, and we will name this class as workout. And after this we will annotate this class with @entity annotation, and after this annotation we will add the annotation of data to get the getters and setters. And after this, in this workout entity we need to create id property, and to do this we will open activity, and we will copy this property from here, and we will go back to workout, and we will paste it here. And after the id of the workout we need to store the type of the workout, and to do this we will write private, and the data type of this will be string, and we will name this as type. And after the type we need to store the date of the workout, and to do this we will write private, and the data type of this will be date, and we will import it from java.util, and we will name this as date. And after the date we need to store the duration of the date, and to do this we will write private, and the data type of this will be int, and we will name this as duration. And after the duration we need to store calories burned, and to do this we will write private, and the data type of this will be int, and we will name this as calories burned. And with this our workout entity is completed. Now let's run our application. And as you can see our application is up without any errors, and in the logs we can see the workout table got created in the database. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will create workout repository workout DTO, and after this we will create post workout API call as well.